Lemons. Today, we have many lemon cleaning products that help us keep our homes nice and fresh. The origin for these kitchen must-haves, however, started well beyond the home. Around 1200 AD in feudal Japan, the famous weapon known as the katana became popularized. The katana is made extremely poorly, just really bad. The blacksmiths were good, but the sword is an absolute piss stain, awful. The sword is really bad, you can't thrust with it, and one half is entirely useless. It also breaks extremely easily in comparison. They were so bad, dude. Put on chainmail and it can't do shit. They were made this way due to a lack of materials. They are on one tiny island, so that's kind of expected. One of the feudal lords in the eastern part of Japan happened to be a big fan of lemonade, as well as cutting things. This resulted in him using his katana to cut lemons open in order to make lemonade from them. During the time before a major battle, other samurai noticed how clean and pristine this lord's sword was. According to popular belief, the exchange went as so. Honorable Shogun, we humbly ask that you tell us how you keep your sword in such excellent condition. Dog, I cut lemons and shit. This advice was taken to the hearts of all who heard it. Only one survived the battle, of course, the others dying painfully. But that was enough to start a tradition. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see our future videos concerning lemons and history, subscribe so you don't miss it.